Ayo, what you do on my phone, dog? Yo, your phone did I go off in the dog? I just check, you know. And my girl, she put a couple things on my wall, my youth, and I have to like it and comment on it before me do nothing else. You know, I say, don't worry, my youth, I'm not going to set you up like that, my youth. Don't worry. I don't know, so she... There's nothing wrong in looking, my youth. A window shop, you know. A window shop. Who wear the pants in your relationship, dog? My youth, me wear the pants in my relationship, you see? But sometimes you have to agree if you disagree on certain things. You want to like sleep on Facebook, you like it, dog. And I like say you text together and I tell her say you want to sleep with her, dog. Some girl need to cool out, you know, man. My youth, you know see Teresa new picture, dog? I swear in the high school she used to scrawny like daddy long leg, my youth. How she get all of the body from that? Box cutter. Her body strong. Remember, I still like that. I think a couple of fake things I go on this side, you know, but she look good, see my yo, man. I still like that still. No, man, I still beat that, but ayo. Oh. I'm sorry, my yo, I'm sorry.
Hello, so what is me I sip on my phone say I like up next girl Facebook picture, eh? And what is?
Hey, you know what? I respond from the thing, you know, and it never got through. So me think there's a lag in your system, you see? So me go find a picture then, I'm click the picture, you see? You see if it work.
Listen boy, lag, me body all, but lag. No lag in no systems, not like that, you hear me I say?
Alright baby, my friend come over. And him sneeze and him press the picture by mistake. There's always a crazy thing, you know what I mean, babe?
What you mean friend in my house? When me tell you about having people in my house when me not there?
One friend,
I mean about friend, you better thinking cross his friend if you want to bring in my house. If you come thief out my good produce them. I'm mad boy. I send a thing on your wall. And I think I go reply on it and tell me say love me back. I just go and like one next guy like say me and nothing. What you say to me? Me know you're not gonna let your dirty little stinking Rottweiler looking face friend talk to me like that,
don't
you know?
talk about my friend like that, babe. Don't talk about
Oh, so you're defending him now? You know what? Bye-bye.
Oh God, why you have to say that, my youth? Why? Why? You know what you just caused, my youth? You know what you just do? Oh God.
So which one I don't want disrespect me? I'm going to teach you if you like a next girl picture on Facebook.